are thrilled to announce our carefully designed new age technology driven learning upgrade. Presenting NLearn, Narayana Group's digital learning platform. A testament of our commitment to give you an extraordinary learning journey anywhere, anytime, and at any pace you want. Start your journey with the schedule. Check out your school's learning plan and stay right on track. You will know what to study at any point in time, helping you stay organized and on track with the curriculum taught in school. To facilitate ease of learning concepts, we have newly introduced high-intensity animated videos,
numbers, zero or neutral, and the negative numbers. Or we can also say
which have been carefully designed, keeping you in mind. Test your understanding of concepts and sharpen your skills, further dive into our extensive question bank in the practice section, which hosts thousands of questions. Realize the truest form of hybrid learning by continuing your learning at home. You can now access assignments set by your teachers, fostering interaction between students and teachers even in a digital setting. Follow instructions, upload your work, and after the deadline, view the final solutions. We are excited to introduce our latest doubt-solving feature, allowing you to interact with teachers, browse through a collection of queries, and engage in a quick chat with a highly intelligent AI bot for immediate doubt resolution. Yes, you heard it right. We have seamlessly incorporated AI into your learning experience, making it easily accessible. Feel free to pose any academic questions and you will receive instant answers. Moreover, you have the option to resolve your doubts by capturing an image or snapping a photo of the material and uploading it. Our AI engine will recognize the keywords within the image, enabling you to inquire about the topic or engage in a chat related to it for thorough clarification of your doubts. Feel free to reach out to your assigned instructor at any time to directly address and discuss your queries. Engage in conversations with them to clarify any doubts you may have. Additionally, we have anticipated potential questions from students on each topic based on our experience. You can conveniently access these anticipated doubts in the repository section, ensuring quick and easy clarification of your queries. NLearn revolves around your needs and empowers you to make data-driven decisions through our analytics feature. Regarding scheduled tests, you can gain insights into the following: the number of tests you have completed, the number of questions attempted in each test, your accuracy in these tests, the time spent on each question, in addition to the total time spent on all tests. Furthermore, we provide information about the study habits of top-performing students, including their test-taking patterns and time allocation. Concerning content, you can gather information on the duration spent watching our educational videos, the topics you have covered, the number of practice questions attempted, the count of assignments you have submitted, the number of doubts you have raised. Delve into this section to monitor your progress and gain a precise understanding of what steps should be taken next. It does not stop just here. You can expand your horizons with additional learning materials in the library section centered around our philosophy that there is more than one way to learn a concept.
The biosphere is the narrow zone of contact between the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and the atmosphere where
we are always with you, not just to meet your learning needs, but even beyond. With Reach Disha, you always have someone to talk to and share your concerns. Our counselors can help reduce stress and foster a supportive learning environment. And our homepage is where learning thrives. Explore trending features and effortlessly pick up where you left off on your learning journey. Stay organized and focused because we believe that learning should be a journey of discovery, empowerment, and growth. Join us on this journey. Together, let's redefine education and turn your potential into limitless possibilities. A support system is essential to assist you whenever you encounter difficulties or face any issues. On each page, you will discover a chat option located in the bottom right corner. You have the opportunity to engage in a chat with our agents who are available from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. This guarantees continuous access to our support team for addressing any inquiries or problems promptly. Furthermore, you can reach us by dialing our toll-free number at 1800-102-3344 during the hours of 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. or you may choose to send us an email at info@narayanagroup.com. We are committed to prioritizing ongoing assistance, ensuring that users receive continuous support while using the app and no concerns are left unaddressed.